Measurement 3D grayscale lithography structures. Grayscale photolithography creates 3D microstructures by exposing photoresist to spatially varying light intensities. Here we have measurement example of complex convex lenses created by DWL Gray Lithography Stepper by Heidelberg Instruments. We are essentially performing segmentation with our fast GSA algorithm. We are also using different pattern recognition layers. PR1 for central microsphere measurement and the rest for surrounding microspheres measurements. We are using DL classification through fast GSA algorithm, and UniHub measure software reports area and perimeter for each measurement. Additional data could be collected and exported for post-processing formula measurement. We are using this case just for demonstration of UniHub measurement software capability to handle measurement of complex structures. Thank you for attention.